to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, which was Fun at School. Today, we will learn about word endings. So, open up page number 4 and let's get started. First, let us learn some new words. On page number 4, there are two pictures given. In the first picture, there are some objects. Can you name those objects? The first one is a ball. Then we have hall. And then a wall. Can you tell what is common in these words? All these three words end with same letters and same sound, which is A-L-L, all. When you add B, ba sound to all, it becomes ball. When you add H, ha sound to all, it becomes hall. And when you add W to A-L-L, wa sound with all, it becomes wall. Now let's come to the second picture on page 4 and let's see if you can name these things. The first one is a stand. Then we have sand. And the last one is hand. Now, can you tell the common thing in these three words? All these three words end with and their letters are A and D, and. When you add st with and, it becomes stand. When you add sa sound with and, it becomes sand. And when you add h, ha sound with and, it becomes hand. Very good. Now let's come to page 5 and look at the picture here. Can you name these objects? The first one is a bat. Then we have cat. And at last we have a rat. Now, in these three words, the common letters are A, T. And the common sound is at. When we add B with AT, it becomes bat. And when we add K with at, it becomes cat. When we add R, ra sound with at, it becomes rat. So, we have learnt in this chapter that in all these pictures, there are highlighted letters and those are in blue color. So, they end with same letters and have the common sound. Like we learned about hall, wall and ball. They all ended with all. Now, I want you to do an activity. Can you think of more words that end with an L? E-L-L sounds with as L. Make a list of them. At least try to write 5 words. For example, bell. Now let's see how many words can you make with L.